Imagine receiving a message from the deepest corners of space. A message so mysterious that nearly 50 years later, scientists still can't explain it. On a quiet summer night in 1977, a strange signal appeared without warning. It lasted only 72 seconds, and then it disappeared forever. But those 72 seconds changed the search for extraterrestrial life forever. At the time, the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio was scanning the universe as part of a scientific project searching for unusual radio transmissions from space. Day after day, the telescope detected only ordinary cosmic background noise. Everything seemed completely normal until one extraordinary moment. Suddenly, an incredibly powerful narrowband radio signal appeared. It was much stronger than the natural radio waves astronomers usually detected. The signal seemed to come from a distant region of the constellation Sagittarius, far beyond our solar system. Astronomer Jerry Ehman was reviewing the computer printout when he noticed something unbelievable. The signal was so unusual that he circled the data and wrote one simple word beside it. That handwritten note gave the mysterious transmission its famous name, the WOW signal. The signal lasted only 72 seconds, exactly the amount of time the rotating telescope could observe that specific point in the sky. Then it vanished without leaving any trace. Scientists immediately became excited. Could this be evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth, or was it simply an unknown natural event somewhere in the universe? Nobody had the answer. Over the following days, weeks, and years, astronomers pointed powerful radio telescopes back toward the same location, hoping the mysterious transmission would appear again. They waited patiently, but the universe remained completely silent. No matter how carefully scientists searched, the signal never returned. There was no second chance to study it, no repeat transmission, only one unforgettable moment that left the scientific community with more questions than answers. As years passed, the mystery only grew deeper. Scientists around the world searched for the signal again using larger and more powerful radio telescopes. Every new observation brought hope, but every search ended the same way: complete silence. The original signal had come from a region near the constellation Sagittarius, one of the most crowded areas of our Milky Way galaxy. With billions of stars in that direction, identifying the exact source was almost impossible. Researchers carefully examined every possible explanation. Could it have been a distant pulsar, a quasar, a rare natural burst of radio energy? Every theory was tested against the data, but none could fully explain what had been detected that night. Some scientists even proposed that a passing comet might have produced the signal. Others disagreed, pointing out that the characteristics of the transmission didn't perfectly match that explanation either. The debate continues to this day. Then came the question that captured the world's imagination. What if the signal wasn't natural at all? What if it was created by an advanced civilization somewhere beyond our solar system? It's an exciting idea, but there is no scientific evidence proving that the WOW signal came from extraterrestrial intelligence. The truth is far more mysterious. We simply don't know. Decades later, radio telescopes continue listening to the universe every single day. Modern computers analyze billions of radio signals, filtering out interference and searching for patterns that could reveal something extraordinary. Yet despite all this technology, nothing has ever perfectly matched the original WOW signal. One brief transmission, 72 unforgettable seconds, and then endless silence. Sometimes the greatest mysteries are not the ones we solve, but the ones that continue to challenge everything we think we know about the universe. Nearly half a century has passed since the WOW signal was first detected.
Technology 1424 exercise done. This wasn't no reproduction in 40 years.
Giant radio observatories now scan the sky.
No modulation, no Doppler drift. It's either someone's calling.
Billions of frequencies every second. Yet the mystery remains exactly as it was that summer night. The signal has never been confirmed, never repeated, and never fully explained. Perhaps it was an extremely rare natural event that happened only once in human history. Perhaps it was an unknown cosmic phenomenon that science has yet to understand. Or perhaps somewhere across the unimaginable distances of our galaxy, another civilization briefly transmitted a signal, crossed the darkness of space, and reached Earth by pure chance. The truth is, we simply don't know. The universe contains hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and beyond the Milky Way lie trillions of other galaxies. The possibilities are almost impossible to imagine. Every night, powerful radio telescopes continue listening. Every day, scientists analyze new data, hoping that one day another mysterious signal will appear. Are we truly alone in the universe? Until that day arrives, the wow. Signal remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in the history of astronomy. A reminder that the universe is far larger, stranger, and more mysterious than we have ever imagined. And perhaps somewhere out there, someone is listening too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into one of space's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join 0 Hour for more science, space, and mystery documentaries. The next mystery is already waiting.